Navigating Social Security can feel confusing, and unfortunately, some of the most common mistakes can reduce your benefits and create financial stress later in life. Here are the Social Security missteps you'll want to avoid. Claiming Social Security at age 62 can permanently reduce your benefit by up to 30%. While it might seem appealing to start early, waiting until your full retirement age, or even age 70, can increase your monthly benefit. For every year you delay past full retirement age, your benefit increases by about 8% up until age 70. If you claim benefits before reaching full retirement age and continue working, your benefits may be temporarily reduced. In 2025, you lose $1 in benefits for every $2 earned over $23,400. These reductions go away once you hit full retirement age, and your future benefits may be adjusted upward to account for the withheld amounts. You might be eligible to receive up to 50% of your spouse's benefit if you're at least 62 and your spouse has already filed. You can choose between your own benefit or a spousal benefit, but not both. Choosing the wrong one could mean missing out on more money. Survivor benefits are available to a deceased worker's spouse, children, or dependent parents. A surviving spouse can begin receiving benefits as early as age 60 or 50 if disabled. But if you're eligible for both survivor and personal benefits, you typically have to pick one, so understanding the rules is crucial. If you were married for at least 10 years, are currently unmarried, and meet age and income guidelines, you may be eligible for spousal or survivor benefits based on your ex-spouse's record. These benefits don't reduce your ex's payments, but many people miss out because they aren't aware of the rules. Even if you're not claiming Social Security yet, you must enroll in Medicare around your 65th birthday to avoid late penalties. Skipping this step could result in higher healthcare costs later. If the Social Security Administration pays you too much, you are required to return the extra money, even if the mistake wasn't your fault. Ignoring the notice can lead to withheld future benefits or even collection actions. If you regret claiming early, there are two ways to reverse your decision. You can withdraw your application within 1 year, but must repay all benefits received. Or if you've reached full retirement age but are not yet 70, you can suspend your benefits to allow them to grow. SSA employees can explain your options, but they aren't financial advisors. They won't recommend strategies for maximizing benefits. For that, you'll want to consult with a trusted retirement planner or advisor. Understanding how Social Security works and avoiding these common mistakes can help you protect and potentially increase your retirement income. Taking the time to get informed now could lead to a more comfortable financial future.